Most people think vegetables fail because of seasoning. That is not true. They fail because moisture traps heat and steam blocks crispness. Crispy vegetables are not about higher temperature. They are about surface dryness. If the surface stays wet, browning cannot happen properly. When vegetables release water, that moisture must escape quickly. If it cannot escape, it turns into steam around the food. Steam softens the exterior and prevents caramelization from forming. That is why your vegetables look cooked but feel soggy. The first mistake happens before cooking even starts. Cutting vegetables too thick changes how moisture behaves. Thicker pieces hold more internal water, which slows surface drying. Thin pieces dry faster and brown more efficiently. The second mistake is overcrowding the pan. When pieces touch too closely, moisture gets trapped between them. Instead of roasting, they start steaming each other. And steaming kills the crisp texture you expect. Airflow inside the oven also matters more than you think. If hot air cannot circulate, moisture lingers on surfaces. Professional kitchens spread vegetables in a single even layer. They leave visible space between pieces, even when it looks empty. That empty space is not wasted capacity, it is airflow control. Airflow removes moisture and allows browning to begin. Oil quantity also plays a hidden role in texture. Too little oil causes uneven contact with heat. Too much oil traps surface moisture, delaying crispness. You want enough oil for conduction, not for frying. Another critical detail is oven preheating. Cold trays absorb heat, slowing the drying process. Always preheat the tray, so vegetables hit a hot surface. Immediate contact reduces moisture retention dramatically. Salt timing changes texture more than most people realize. Salting too early draws water out before roasting begins. If you salt too soon, vegetables release water prematurely. That water interferes with the first phase of browning. Better results come from salting midway, once surfaces dry slightly. This keeps structure intact while enhancing flavor later. You must understand that crispness is a moisture battle. Heat alone cannot solve it. Airflow and spacing matter. If water stays on the surface, browning reactions slow down. When water evaporates quickly, crisp texture forms naturally. Crispy vegetables are predictable when moisture is controlled. Soggy vegetables are predictable when steam is trapped. Once you see crispness as moisture management, everything changes. You stop blaming recipes and start controlling variables. Crisp texture is not luck, it is physics applied correctly. And now you know exactly where the mistake happens.